I did it. I was finally able to get my hands on the Sony ZV-E10. It's been about 3 months me trying to get it. If you didn't know, Sony had like a chip shortage or they put production on halt or something. But I was finally able to get my hands on the Sony ZV-E10. I got it in white, which I didn't want in the first place, but I actually really like it. I went ahead and I got the vlogging kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my unboxing so you can see exactly what comes in the box, pamphlets, chargers, batteries, all those things. I'm gonna insert that clip right now. But before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video. If you'd like to see how I use the camera in the first month of me having it, go ahead and just let me know that in the comments so I can make that content for you. I can upload some videos of the vlogs that I've already taken. But super excited to get started with this, especially on vacations. It's gonna be really weird getting used to vlogging out in public, but I'm so ready for it. But let's get into it.